If you need to sneeze on command, watch this video because all you need is one thing, a piece of Kleenex or a roll of tissue paper. You're going to rip one piece of toilet paper off of your roll. Then you're going to rip it in half. Then you're going to roll the piece of toilet paper into a cylinder shape similar to this. I'm going to roll it and put the mic. Now I have a nice cylinder shape and I'm going to poke it up my nose back and forth, up and down like that. So then I'm going to use the other side of the toilet paper to try and do another sneeze. For some reason, the stuff on toilet paper really makes me sneeze. I'm using the other nostril right now, and it helps if I close my eyes. I'm going back into my left nostril because I can focus. Thank you. You're welcome.